What if I told you that falling into a black hole might not kill you instantly? What if the scariest part isn't being crushed, but what happens after? Black holes are the most misunderstood objects in the universe, and today we're going to explore what they really are, in a way that will completely change how you see reality. Stay with me, because the ending of this video is the part scientists still argue about. Forget everything you've heard about black holes being giant space vacuums. A black hole is created when a massive star collapses under its own gravity, so much gravity that space itself caves in. Think of space like a stretched rubber sheet. A black hole is not a hole in space. It's a place where space falls inward forever, and at the center is something called the singularity, a point so dense, so extreme that the laws of physics stop working. Scientists don't know what's there. Every black hole has a boundary called the event horizon. Cross it, and there is no escape, not even light. From the outside, something strange happens. You never actually see anything fall in. It slows down, it freezes, then it fades away. But from the inside, you fall straight through, no alarms, no warning, just silence. And this is where reality starts to break. As you fall, gravity pulls harder on your feet than your head. This stretches you. Scientists call this spaghettification. But here's the twist. If the black hole is big enough, you might not feel anything at first. You could cross the event horizon alive, and you wouldn't even know it, because once inside, time and space switch roles. Moving forward in time now means moving toward the center. There is no turning back. Outside the black hole, time slows down. Inside, time may stop existing altogether. Some theories say time breaks. Cause and effect collapse. The future and past blur together. Inside a black hole, the universe may not follow rules, only inevitability. Everything leads to the singularity. This is where black holes stop being objects and start becoming something far more unsettling. Albert Einstein believed that nature would never allow a true singularity to exist. According to him, reality must break before reaching infinite density. In other words, Einstein thought something unknown replaces the singularity, not nothing, something we don't understand. Other physicists took this further. Some believe that inside a black hole, space and time switch roles. Time becomes a direction you're forced to move in. Just like space, you don't fall through a black hole. You fall forward in time towards something unavoidable. Stephen Hawking believed black holes hide information rather than destroy it. So instead of being crushed out of existence, everything that falls in may be stored, encoded in ways we can't yet read. That raises a disturbing possibility. Inside a black hole could be a compressed record of everything that ever fell into it. Entire stars, planets, histories. Another theory suggests the center of a black hole is not an ending, but a bounce. At extreme density, collapse may reverse, causing an expansion, a new beginning. Some physicists believe that what we call the Big Bang could be exactly that, the inside of a black hole from another universe. And then there's the strangest idea of all, that inside a black hole, the rules of reality are completely different. No past, no future, no cause and effect, only existence without time. If that's true, then black holes aren't just destroying matter. They are hiding other versions of reality behind a boundary we can never cross. And once you pass that boundary, the universe stops making sense. This sounds insane, but hear this. Our universe is expanding, galaxies are moving away from us, and the math describing black holes looks disturbingly similar to the math describing the Big Bang. What if the Big Bang was not the beginning of everything? What if it was the other side of a black hole? If that's true, then black holes don't destroy universes, they create them. So the next time you hear about a black hole, don't think of it as a monster. Think of it as a question so powerful it bends space, time, and reality itself. And we may never know the answer. But this leads to something even stranger. What if time itself is trapped inside a black hole? That's what we'll explore next. Subscribe DK's Scientic.